Use a percussion drill with a drill bit to drill holes at the anchor points. The ESD floor should be penetrated. Place the support under the ESD floor and use bolts to fix the ESD floor to the support temporarily. On the concrete floor, determine the positions for drilling holes. Drill holes at the anchor points and install expansion bolt assemblies. Lead each M12 by 60 bolt through the spring washer 12, the flat washer 12, and the hole in the support, and then insert the bolt into the nut in the floor. Use the torque wrench to tighten the bolts to 45 Nm. Remove the 4 bolts and washers that connect the ESD floor to the support. Adjust the screws under the base to keep the base level. Use M12 by 35 bolts to fix the installation block on the base. Measure the resistance between the base and the expansion bolts. Place the cabinet on the base and push the cabinet gently until the installation block on the base is in complete contact with the installation block at the lower enclosure in the cabinet. At the front of the cabinet, fasten the cabinet to the base by using M12 by 25 bolts. Then use a torque wrench to tighten the bolts to 45 Nm.